Franco, senti qualcosa allora? È buono.
Con le noccioline.
Chat con le noccioline.
Chat with occioloni.
In Italian is noccioline, peanuts.
Peanut occiolini, yeah.
Noccioline.
Okay.
Noccioline.
Fede, fai un po' il punto dove siamo, dove non siamo.
It will be nice for taste.
Yeah, but because only chat is very strong. The taste is too strong.
Yeah, for the first, and then after a few seconds, if you find some peanuts, you don't feel anything.
After
For 5 seconds, or
don't.
for 1 minute, some minutes.
Yeah, then no.
Occiolini.
And how long you need to chew to feel some effects?
But not actually like gum, not only eating.
Like gum, yeah.
Like slowly.
For
you have another chat. Sometimes when you stop chat, when you don't have another thing, you get confused.
But when after how long you start feeling the effects of chat?
After half an hour, you feel good. Slowly, you get up.
You get up.
Yeah.
You feel more active.
Yeah, it is not any kind of like marijuana. Chat is, the nicotine was so poor.
Yeah. Like to drink a coffee.
Like black coffee.
Less toxic.
Like even coffee, yeah.
Even coffee.
Yeah.
Coffee is stronger than chat.
Yeah.
Here, no cooking, nothing.
Because not at one time. There is a chat, one bundle here.
This is Wondogenet chat. Not strong.
Yeah.
Okay.
There is a different chat in Ethiopia. Most of some chats grow in Harar.
This is stronger. This is stronger.
That is very strong.
More than a coffee.
That is like marijuana. Very.
Okay, very strong, like marijuana.
Especially Abu Bismar in the Awadai, it is only somebody get more addicted.
It can give addiction.
But this one not fully for people get addicted.
Because
they need more the strong one.
Guarda.
Good.